bad, bro. They're seeing deer already. No shots, but at least they're seeing deer. Alright, I haven't seen anything yet, so I'm gonna give something a try. I have a rattle bag with me. Never used before. Now, I really don't know anything about rattling, so if I do something wrong, just let me know. But don't get mad at me for doing it wrong. I'm gonna wait a few minutes, and then I'm gonna be a little more aggressive with it. That bag sounds pretty realistic, honestly, and it just echoes through the woods. It's not even like a still morning, like it's kind of breezy a little bit. A lot of crickets and stuff chirping, and that call just rattled through this whole woods. We'll sit tight, see if that attracts any deer. Not even after a buck, but at least give this some practice. If you guys are enjoying the content, you want to help support the channel, the best thing you can do is hit the like button. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest content, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon right next to it. That'll notify you of all of our new uploads. 7 or 8 point, you can't really tell. Kind of a basket rack, I guess. My dad is sitting up on the ridge. He's that way. And he said the buck is making his way towards my brother, so probably on the other side of this ridge, working his way down to the creek bottom. So we'll just sit tight. Who knows, he might get a shot off at him. We'll see. Well, that's it for this morning, guys. No luck. Got skunked once again. I was really hoping I would at least see a fox. I did hear one this morning. Saw a hawk. That was cool. Saw a couple of squirrels. It wasn't as warm as I thought it was, which was kind of nice. It was actually really nice this morning. And then this breeze picked up, and I was really hoping that that would actually get some deer on their feet. But nothing much. I'm sure that probably throughout the middle of the day, deer will make their way in here because this is like a midday bedding area. And it's kind of the reason that I don't really hunt afternoons here is because it's very hard to get in here quietly without bumping deer. That's really why I don't come and hunt afternoons here. There is deer in here in the afternoon, but it's hard to get in here without bumping them. Here's an old tree stand that's been here for a while. I think my dad built it. I don't know, rickety, broken now, but I think he shot some deer out of here. It's a good area. And then there's this really, really old maple tree with this suspicious looking hole. Always wondered how it got there. If it's like a spring, I mean, it is like a spring, but kind of just a random hole. What'd you see?
That spike.
Yeah, Dad was like covered up all morning.
I think you should stay in the sand for another hour.
Yeah, well, he's coming in. Alright guys, today we're back up in the stand on the ridge. Just on the top of a big hill with a valley down below. So we have a cold front moving in tomorrow, so the deer should be moving tonight. So hopefully we have a good sit. So I haven't shown the setup for this season yet. So we're rocking Mission Craze, which I got from my brother because he got the VXR, which you can see a few videos down. He sighted that in and he shot a nice deer with that. And then we got some stabilizer that, I don't know, got on a different bow or something, I forget. Rocking the gold tip Hunter arrows. They're 400 spine, 8.2 GPI. And the Trophy Ridge React 5 sight. And then a Trophy Ridge Whisker Biscuit. And then some lighted knocks. Oh, and then also the Rage Hypodermic Plus Ps. I believe they're 1.5 inch cut, so they should do the job if I were to shoot at a deer. So hopefully we see some. Hopefully it comes in range, because the last couple of nights nothing has come in range. I've seen stuff, but nothing's come in range. So hopefully I see something. This morning my dad was sitting here and he saw 3 buck move through. One was a 4-point, I believe, and a 3-point maybe, and then there was a 7 or 8-point that he saw that was probably less than 10 yards from the stand, which I would probably not shoot because it was a little small. Didn't have much mass. But I am going after a few pretty decent sized deer that we have. Hopefully we see them. We haven't got too many pictures of them on the trail cam, which means they're not moving too much yet, but the rut is coming, so we should be good.